Thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Memiecarvel and I am back at it with another wig review. So this unit is brought to you by Outre. So thank you, Outre, for sending over this unit. So today I am styling this unit, which is a melted hairline, and her name is TORIANA. And I also have her in the color DR Brown Sun Kiss Swirl. And also she is a deluxe white HD wig, which means that it gives you a 2.5 parting space in the middle. The unit is also pre-plucked with sideburns as well. It has an elastic band for a natural fit, and of course natural baby hairs, and also it gives you a ear-to-ear contour, which I do love. And I love their melted hairlines because it is very easy to apply. You can wear this glueless and it also melts down so well. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this review, and see you guys in the outro. Bye. guys, so we have come to the end of this review, and I must say I really do love me a go-to flowy and layered bob look. This was super beginner friendly. I just decided to, you know, of course, it adheres her down, which is kind of like my glue method, but without glue. And I just love this wig overall. I love the colors, the cut, and it just melts to my skin so well. And yeah, that is my thought for this review. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share. And click that notification bell while you guys are at it. And see you guys in the next run. Bye.